This is OPPO A77, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, find and launch the calendar app, whatever it is that you use. By default, it is always going to be Google Calendar, but regardless of the particular app you use, the procedure will remain somewhat the same. So firstly, select the date that you would like to create an event on. So I'll go with 29th of May, then hit the plus icon to your bottom right, choose an event option from the list, and fill out all the event details. The details that you can set may vary from app to app, but generally you will always have an opportunity to set the event name, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness or reoccurrence, invite some people perhaps, add link to the video conference that this event might be all about. Set the location that this event will take place at, pick the color for this event to be displayed under at the calendar, and write a brief notes or description for this event, or perhaps attach a file. As I've already said, the list of available options may be different from app to an app, but that's the general idea of how it should be done. Then hit the save button to your top right, and here you have it. Here's the event. And well, that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.